السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الله يعوض رعية الخير. هذا الآن في
Severe weather conditions, including heavy rainfall and tornado activity, have led to significant flooding in Mecca and Jeddah today. January 6, 2025, the National Center of Meteorology has issued a red alert for both cities, warning residents of the potential dangers associated with these extreme weather events. In Mecca, torrential rains have led to widespread flooding, particularly affecting low-lying areas and valleys. The civil defense has reported dramatic scenes, including flash floods sweeping away livestock and debris. The heavy rainfall has disrupted travel for Umrah pilgrims, who have faced challenges navigating flooded streets. Local authorities have placed the city on red alert, indicating the potential for further downpours and associated risks. The flooding has severely strained Mecca's infrastructure. Roads are inundated, causing significant traffic disruptions and delays in emergency response efforts. The municipality is actively working to monitor weather conditions and manage the crisis, but the volume of water has overwhelmed existing drainage systems. This situation highlights the ongoing challenges faced by urban planners in maintaining effective flood management systems amid rapid urbanization. Similarly, Jeddah has experienced catastrophic flooding due to inadequate drainage systems that have struggled to cope with the heavy rainfall. Historical data indicates that urban expansion has exacerbated flood risks by reducing available ground for water absorption, leading to increased runoff during heavy rain events. The city has implemented various hydraulic protection measures in the past, including the construction of dams and retention basins designed to mitigate flooding risks. However, these measures have proven insufficient against the scale of recent storms. Reports indicate that previous flood management projects have not fully addressed the evolving nature of flood risks in Jeddah, leading to significant damage to homes and infrastructure. The impact on local communities has been severe. In both Mecca and Jeddah, residents have faced displacement due to flooding, with many families forced to seek shelter with relatives or in emergency accommodations set up by local authorities. The floods have also caused power outages, affecting thousands of residents, further complicating rescue efforts and emergency responses. Economic losses are substantial as businesses grapple with damage from flooding and lost revenue due to disrupted operations. In Jeddah alone, previous flood events have resulted in estimated losses exceeding $1 billion. The current situation is likely to lead to similar economic repercussions as businesses assess damage and recovery needs. Local authorities in both cities are working tirelessly to manage the crisis. A powerful tornado struck the Rabigh Governorate, located just north of Jeddah. This tornado is reported to be one of the strongest recorded in the area, prompting immediate safety warnings from local authorities. The civil defense has been conducting rescue operations for individuals trapped by rising waters and issuing safety warnings to residents about avoiding low-lying areas prone to flash floods. Continuous monitoring of weather patterns is underway, with emergency services prepared to respond rapidly as conditions evolve. In Mecca, officials are emphasizing public cooperation with safety advisories to minimize risks during this critical time. Authorities are also exploring smart solutions for disaster management as part of broader urban planning initiatives aimed at enhancing resilience against future weather events. The flooding in Makkah and Jeddah serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities faced by urban areas in Saudi Arabia due to extreme weather conditions. As communities confront these challenges, effective emergency responses and long-term infrastructure improvements will be crucial in safeguarding lives and property against future natural disasters. The resilience of affected communities will be tested as they navigate recovery efforts amidst ongoing weather threats.